Jupiter transit in Gemini 2025 to 2026. Predictions for Libra moon sign. General overview. Jupiter's transit through Gemini into the 9th house from Libra moon takes place on 15th May 2025 at 2:30 am to 2nd June 2026. Jupiter will aspect your 1st, 3rd, and 5th houses while in transit. This may prove quite a stickler in your professional advancement. Several factors could be at play in the workplace. Usually, patience is key as you will go through this transit. You need to ensure that you nurture a very close bond with your office management. This is the most critical relationship that you need to foster for your growth and advancement. The support of office management will have a great impact on your career path and could lead to new career advancement. Investments of time are necessary for bonding with them. Through patience, you will gain great insight regarding their expectations. This will assist you a lot in aligning your own objectives with the organization's all-important objectives. With these difficulties upon you, effective communication should always take priority. Your relationship with the life partner may face a little shadow, like minor conflicts or differences in daily routines. In normal instances, it is very vital to attend to them in a positive light and with the maximum desire for compromise. Interactions with kids and older relatives will be filled with affection and joy. You will build long-lasting memories through shared activities and conversations of great significance. This time together will fortify these family bonds to the happiness of all concerned. At certain times, your health might go through slight inconveniences. These could range from minor headaches or colds to occasional stomach troubles. Though somewhat uncomfortable, these instances are rarely serious. Fortunately, recovery from them usually occurs quite fast. Most minor ailments tend to resolve within days or with a simple remedy. Plenty of water, rest, and over-the-counter medication will help along the process. It is essential to listen to your body, allowing it to heal itself. All in all, these little challenges should not trouble you in the long run. Schools and colleges should find their sports teams at least a little more than enough in order to allocate their time education effectively. This span of time is very suitable to attain high academic standards for postgraduate studies. There will be some useful material available for the students to complete their master's dissertation work. Now is an excellent time for some investment in the stock markets. Real estate does not lend money to anyone whom you expect it back, so quite simply avoid extravagance. Career. Your professional development will likely face a number of hurdles during this time. These hurdles are usually caused by numerous internal variables in any working environment. It is critical to realize that as you continue like this, it will be important to develop patience. Good rapport with your office management must also be established for this growth, as it has a lot to do with your development and progress. An office management whose goodwill is there behind you will provide you with new opportunities for growth. Make sure you will spend some time in order to build trust with their management team. Patience will create a notion about your supervisor's goals and expectations, which can help you to set your goals in context with the organization's objectives. Just make sure that you can communicate effectively when faced with such challenges. Love, family, and relationship. Interactions with elder family are meaningful and will have an impact. You will have warm, respectful experiences together. Discussions will be free-flowing and good bonding, which gets better day by day. Family get-togethers will instill an atmosphere of happiness as everyone gathers with communal spirit. You are sure to find support and understanding in these bonds. A partnership with a devoted partner will come through with unbounded fun and fulfillment. You will enjoy each other's company and create a cherished array of moments filled with joy and love. Shared thoughts and interests will work in building deeper bonds between you. Trust and care between the two of you will depend by leaps and bounds. Married partner. Your association with your beloved may meet little problems and issues, from silly fights to dissimilar preferences in the activities of daily living. If situations arise, be sure you maintain open-mindedness and a willingness to grow. A slight shift in either actions or goal can set one on a path to better their relationship. Empathizing with your partner's views is an important factor. Paying attention to their feelings and thoughts helps one open up. This allows both partners to express their feelings clearly without fear of starting something else. It helps to actually take off the stress involved to reach a common ground. Working together toward fixing a problem brings the two together. With love's assistance, it is easy to overcome obstacles. Express your feelings honestly and respectfully. This will create a safe haven for you to express your worries. Finance. Currently, the stock market is favorably open to investments. Many analysts believe that this is an opportunity for investors that could result in good gains in the future. Contrasting this are investments in real estate, which, however, come with their fair risks. Do not lend money to anyone, you will not get it back. Real estates are also the less viable option presently because of uncertainty. Also, be conscious of your spending habits. All excess expenditure leaves you dry with no growth. In focusing on wise investments and prudent spending, one can maximize one's financial position. Careful planning and wise decisions remain the touchstones to achieving financial goals. Education. Many students at school and college often want to scale down their involvement with sporting activities. The idea is that they believe devoting more time to academic work would help achieve their educational objectives. For those who have graduated and are in higher studies, this phase may be quite profitable for academic pursuits. Particularly at a master's or PhD level, it is this time that becomes important for the completion of the theses. Such students can get the proper resources and guidance that will assist them in their respective research projects. With concentrated effort and strategies, students stand a chance to make a lot of progress toward their academic achievements to tap the fullest potential for education. While sports sometimes seem less important than studies, with so much time involved, many feel they also need to find a balance that suits them. Health. You might, occasionally, experience slight health problems here and there. This includes occasional headaches, colds, and some mild digestive upsets. Although those cases may be irritating, they usually aren't serious. Assuming all this is well, a quick recovery will surely follow. Most of the small health problems will get over themselves, one way or another, or remain mild enough to treat with just home remedies. Drinking plenty of fluids, resting, and taking over-the-counter means might also speed your recovery. It is important to listen to your body and give it sufficient rest to allow it to recover. In general, while you might face such minor troubles here and there, they should not set you upon insistent worries. Remedies. Chant Shukra Gayatri Mantra for Friday. Place an elephant statue in your living room. Offer prayers to Lord Lakshmi Devi once a month on Monday. Offer gifts or dresses to unmarried young girls.